Hey guys, we're back on our canal front renovation and the guys are, as usual, doing a cracking job. There's been so much labour going into this job to get it to a point that it's at now, and we're ready to start doing all of our new timber framing. So as we've seen in the past videos, been a huge amount of demolition work here. The entire ground floor is basically double cavity brick and we've had to do all the demolition by hand. So the boys have got all that finished. We've come through, put all the structural steel in. There is so much structural steel going in this home, and that's just simply because of the size of the house. It's all huge old hardwood. It's got brickwork upstairs on the outside wall, so we've had to support all that existing structure. So done all the structural steel on this job ourselves. The boys have done a great job welding on site, getting it all in place. It's coming up so well, and it's really tying the home back together. We've completed our slab, so we had a little slab out the front where we're doing an extension for a media room, and we've also connected now the existing 4-car garage to the existing house. So that area where they've been connected is going to become a guest bathroom, a hallway that's then going to connect onto the laundry and the media room and the mud room that we're creating in the existing garage. So it's all coming together. The boys are now onto the framing, they're smashing it out, and as we're doing on all of our jobs at the moment, we've got to come up with solutions for moving forward because of the supply and demand and the time frames on materials and deliveries and all those types of things. We really struggle to get roof trusses. It's probably been like that for the last 12 months. So we've been hand pitching the roofs on all of our projects. So all the rafters and the ridge beams and the collar ties, all that material has turned up on site last week. The boys are going to finish the framing today, and then we're going to get on to hand pitching the roof. And by doing that, it means that our job can keep progressing. We're not getting any delays. We don't have to wait months for roof trusses. And it's also a really good experience and for our carpenters, but more so for our younger guys to learn how to hand pitch a roof, because these days you don't really do it that often. So using a few of the old carpentry skills to hand pitch the roof on this job, and that'll tie in with the original, I guess, structure of this home. So yeah, stay tuned. This one is coming along so well, and the view behind the camera over there into the canals, now that we've knocked this back wall out, is absolutely fantastic.